Baby, these neon lights are always pulling me back in. Every time you forgive me, you gotta do it all over again. With a wife and 2 kids at home in need of my support, this party crowd I'm rolling with seems to be much more important. These hotel bars and nightclubs seem to be my speed these days. As the telephone rings and we FaceTime and the tears roll off her face, but I just blame it on the rain as the storm rolls on, and I tell her I ain't coming home. I blame it on the rain as the whiskey flows. Another scotch on the rocks makes love grow cold. Here I am out on the town and she's in pain, so I just blame it on the rain. Well, she put the babies on the phone and they asked Daddy, when you coming home? I said another town, just one more show. Maybe then Daddy can hit the road. Background, the lightning lit up the sky, and I promised to be home in one more night. I could feel their tears coming before they came, but I just blamed it on the rain as the storm rolled on, and I tell them Daddy ain't coming home. Blame it on the rain as the whiskey flowed. Another scotch on the rocks and love went cold. Here I am out on the town and they're in pain, so I just blame it on the rain. Sunday morning, head pounding, I hit that road, and my truck fast as it would go. I hit my hometown and the sky turned black. Pulled in my driving, thought, man, I'm back. There was a note hanging on my front door, and suddenly the rain had started to pour. I could feel a shiver roll across my bones when I read. She said, blame it on the rain, 'cause the storm's rolling on. You're at home and baby, now I'm gone. Just blame it on the rain, 'cause the whiskey flowed. Another scotch on the rocks made my love grow cold. Here I am heading down the road and you're in pain. She said, blame it on the rain.